This is the new BRABUS XLP 800 6x6 Adventure Super Truck with prices starting from 1.1 million euros. It is powered by a BRABUS 800 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 800 horsepower and 1000 Nm of torque. It accelerates to 100 km per hour in 5.8 seconds and has a top speed of 210 km per hour. The two rear axles were designed as independent suspensions and all 6 wheels are connected to the BRABUS central tire inflation system. The new BRABUS XLP 800 6x6 Adventure truck comes equipped with a massive Adventure brush guard and a front bumper with integrated winch. The sides of the pickup truck are adorned by BRABUS air vents behind the front and rear wheel arches, exposed carbon wrap strips, and exterior mirror caps. To facilitate getting in and out, the pickup is equipped with new running boards tailored to the stretched wheelbase and furthermore with power-retractable steps. LED lights were integrated into the fender flares too. Guys, if you like our video, please subscribe. Thanks.